Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We were looking at the list in Python, and today we are going to see how we can actually find the membership of any element from our list. So here we are going to check whether the element is present in our list or not. So like always, for checking membership, there will be two keywords that we are going to use over here, that is in and not in. And as you can see that it is going to return Boolean values. If the element is in the list, then of course, when we are dealing with actually in keyword, so if the element is in the list, then it will be returning true. You can see that 10 is there in my list, so in has returned true, and 50 is not in my list. So if we check that 50 is in the list, so clearly it is not, so it is returning false. So that is very simple to understand. Talking about not in, it is just the reverse of in keyword. So if 50, if I am saying it is not in the list, so yes, 50 is not present in my list. That is why it has returned true over here. And 20 is not in the list, but we can clearly see that 20 is in the list, so it is returning false. So yes, it checks if an element belongs to a list or not, and it returns a Boolean value that can be true or false depending upon the situation. So let us go back to our Python screen and see how these membership keywords work with our list. So for this example, I will be again taking a list which can have few elements. So let's say that it will be 10, 20, 30 and 40. So what we are going to check is we will be printing the value that 10 in L. So 10 is in the list, therefore it should return the value true. Coming back to next print statement, let us say 50 in L, and I'm sorry, it is list underscore 1, so that should not be L, so this should also be list underscore 1, right? So 50 is clearly not in my list, therefore the answer should be false. Now one more example of not in. So if I will be saying 50 not in my list, so yes, 50 is not there, so the answer should be true. Print and 20 not in list underscore 1, and 20 is not, actually it is there, so the answer should be false. And this is in lowercase, right? So if I run this particular example, we should get true, false and true, false. So let me run the code and you can clearly visualize that we got the same output as we have seen through the comments, right? So if the element is in the list, it returns true. If the element is not in the list, then not in also returns true. And if the element is not in the list, then in returns false, and not in also returns false. So that was all with membership function. I hope that you understand the topic well. Thanks for watching.